How does commenting strategically on LinkedIn help to raise your visibility? Today I want to give 3 examples of how to comment on LinkedIn. And the first one is commenting on LinkedIn to get in front of recruiters. The second is commenting on LinkedIn posts to be seen as a thought leader in your space. And the third one is aimed at those of you who are just starting out in your career. How can you thoughtfully leave comments that get you noticed here on LinkedIn? So let's dive into this now. So let's talk about why commenting actually matters on LinkedIn. LinkedIn as a platform is not just for uploading your resume. Although if you are doing that, go and check out the video I have on how to upload your resume for LinkedIn. It's actually more of a networking tool. So it's somewhere you can connect with your potential recruiters, somebody who might have information about a job that's coming up or an opening that's coming up. And it's really a place to build relationships in your career or as a small business owner or professional that will help you to the next stage of wherever it is you're going. Comments help your visibility because when you leave a comment, your name and your profile are attached to that comment. Let's go and look at an example here. Commenting boosts your visibility because when you leave a comment on a post on LinkedIn, the person, not just the person who has written the post, but also their network, will see your name, your profile, and your headline alongside your comment. And when you have a really good headline, people are like intrigued by who is this person? Let's click on them and find out more about who they are and what they can possibly do for me. So commenting leads to more profile views, it leads to more messages directly, and it can even lead to a job offer. LinkedIn say specifically that commenting will increase your visibility by up to 9 times what you're currently getting. And I do suggest that you try this out and see what impact it has on your profile views. You can find out how many people are viewing your profile. If you want to see who is viewing your profile, however, you do need to have a LinkedIn Premium account. So the framework that I want you to use with this, and you will notice that I'm using Gamma here, which is going to be a tool that I'm going to explore on Thursday, so check that out. But the framework for boosting your comments on LinkedIn are, number 1, are you adding value? So I don't want you to write comments that just say, well done, or thanks. So can you add your own insight to the post in your comment? Number 2, can you ask a question? So continue the conversation with the original poster. So you're starting conversations. Number 3, be authentic. So write it from your own personality. Please do not use AI-based comments. Keep your comments short, relevant, and sincere. So that is our framework that we're going to use. And now I want to take you to LinkedIn and we can have a go at trying this out. So let's imagine that you are trying to get seen by an employer, and let's pretend that we want to work at Channel 4, who are looking for big, beautiful weirdos. It says here. So number 1, you would follow the company page. That is a given. So follow the page from the people that you want to get work from. Do check out that this is a place you actually want to work. And then here we go. Here is a post that they are looking for people to sign up for production training scheme. Oh, that sounds great. All right. So how do you get visible on this post? Look, 62 people have liked this and there's only 1 comment. Well done, Phoebe is a student and she loves this. What we would like you to do is, let's have a look at it. So I might say something like, really looking forward to this and the production training scheme sounds excellent. I'll see you on the webinar. Something like that. It's really simple, but you are writing more than just awesome or looks good. So that's the kind of thing you can post on an employer's type of content for your visibility. What about posting for thought leadership on your comments? So let's find somebody that we want to be seen in front of. So this lady is a marketing director and she has done a video 3 hours ago. Let's see how many comments. Of course, there's none. So 19 people have liked it. There's been 1 repost. So let's have a look and see. Blah, blah, blah. 1 week until the application. It's Business Women of the Year Award. So if this was in my local area and I wanted to get visibility on this, then I would leave a comment on. What we're aiming for here is something that shows a little bit of insight. It's subtle and it's authentic. So first of all, engage with the post. Secondly, then you write your comment. And I always try and tag the person who's written the post if it fits. And then what I want to do authentically, genuinely here is tag some people that I think should apply for this. That I know who I feel I genuinely should apply for this, who are both business women. But what happens here is I'm going to be seen then by the people in Susanna's network, as well as everybody else who's tagged in this post, which I don't recommend you do that, but that's okay. So I'm going to click comment. And now I'm the only person who has commented on the post. So you see how easy it is to get visibility on LinkedIn. Now, if you're just starting out and you're thinking, Louise, this is all very well and good, but I've only worked for a year or 6 months in my career, what am I supposed to leave in a comment? So if that is you, then I suggest you go down the lines of being curious and kind of asking, oh, this is interesting, this connects the dots for me. So let's pretend you are working in corporate comms. I know that Lucy, who is my friend, who will not mind me including her in my video, talks about narrative and communication. So let's have a look and see. And why is a compelling narrative an essential ingredient for successful change? And then if I was brand new to this business, then I would say, oh, this is really helpful. Thanks so much for sharing. That is authentic. And it's really hard when you're starting out to leave comments on LinkedIn. So something short like that will help you get started. What you do want to do, though, is make sure you spread your comments across a variety of people when you're just starting out. You don't want to be just commenting on the same 2 people all the time. But I hope this will inspire you to actually start leaving comments on LinkedIn. And the best time to start is always today. So go and leave comments on 3 posts and let us know below how you got on, and hopefully you'll get some response.